guys, I'm back again just to do this short tutorial to show you the consistency of my olive oil mango butter recipe that's comparable to the ELASTA QP olive oil mango butter conditioner. Okay, so let's get started. And what I did was I took a quarter cup of the ELASTA QP comparable butter that I made, and I loosely packed it into the cup and just put it in my bowl. And because I make a habit of keeping my products in the refrigerator just to retain freshness, it's still a little bit stiff. So to loosen it up a little bit, I decided to go ahead and sit it over a bowl of warm water before adding the glycerin. And this is only after about, let's say about 5 to 7 seconds. Okay, so at this point I decided to go ahead and add the glycerin, and I decided to go with vegetable glycerin. And I added 2 teaspoons to this mix. Glycerin is a humectant, so therefore it's good for moisturizing your hair, and it reduces breakage when you're combing your hair. If you read the ingredients on the ELASTA QP, you'll see that one of the ingredients is petroleum, and I think that's one of the ingredients that they use to make it creamy. And petroleum is not good for your hair; it suffocates your hair. So that's something you want to try and stay away from, products that can contain petroleum. So here I'm just using my mixer to mix all the ingredients together to get it to the creamy consistency that some people prefer. Okay, using the spatula, you can see how creamy it is just by adding the glycerin. It's like a buttery frosting right now. I love it. And as you can see, it went right into my skin without leaving a greasy residue. Okay, so that's it. I went ahead and just put this mixture into one of my containers, and that's it. That's the creamy version. So if that's what you prefer, then make sure you watch the first video and just add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of glycerin to your mixture to get it to the consistency that you prefer. And please, as always, subscribe, comment, and like. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.